Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This is some more Compoform goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh yeah. I was told that I take too long in my wrestling with stuff. Like, oh shit, I sliced open the freaking inside of this shit. Okay. So I should have. I should have an extra one because I'm helping one of my friends out with, yep, okay. Yeah, so right now Compoform is only shipping to the US, so I'm helping one of my friends out in Australia. So I had it shipped here and then I'll ship it to him down the line. So here is the first look at the Clover, and then also I got another Allure, but this time I got it in the graveyard. But I want to see it. Oh, wow. Look at that. I had it in the fire, the blue fire before. Wow. Wow. Oh, yeah. You know, I initially was complaining. Oh, that's what this is. Okay, yeah. Luke, who's in the Facebook group, had said that he was going to include some of this tape here to put on the inside of this so that I can make it less scratchy. But this graveyard one is actually way more grippy than the other one. So that, right off the bat, I like a lot better. And I don't know, I feel like the scratchiness might be growing on me a little bit. You hear that noise? It's nice and poppy. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this tape or not, but I'll have to see. But this is a great product. The Allure from Compoform. It's a free floating 3-click slider. 1, 2, 3. No way to open this baby up because it is welded shut, which is really amazing. You've got the inside plates that have opposite textures on them to really make a lot of noise. Yeah, I actually think I like the graveyard one a lot better than the other one. Now, I do have this in my pocket. This was the V1.1 track slider, also from Compoform. It's bigger. These Allures come with this design as well. Now, this one is like a color changing. See how it turns purple when you turn it to the side? Okay. Now, this is the new Clover V2. Oh my god. I'm waiting. Oh, it's heavy. God, I got it in the green. It also comes in gold, and I think they're gonna make it in other colors, like red and blue. So this is a track slider with a lanyard. Some people say that the lanyards get in the way, but okay. It right off the bat, it feels like the V1.1, which it makes sense because it's a track slider. The V1.1 looks very similar inside. The only difference is that it's got one long track. This one is a cross. I've never had a Clover before, so. Oh yeah. Yeah. I can see why they say this gets in the way though. It's nice though. Hold on, let's take a closer look. It's a really nice lanyard. Look at this. Oh my god. It's like lightning bolts. Oh gosh. I'm trying to show you the inside. once again, these are welded shut. Okay, so I know you can do that move where you kind of twirl it down. You can go up, twirl it down, but with the lanyard on it, you can't go this way. So I might have to take the lanyard off and redo it. Yeah, the lanyard is kind of restricting. But I like that pop, listen. Ah, yeah. It's got that same kind of pop that you get with the V1.1. All right, do I want to take it off? I don't know. I like being able to use it the way I want to. Feels like it does kind of get in the way. All right, let's see. How do I even get this thing? Oh, it's pretty easy. Let's see here. I know that I can't use my knife at all. My friends tell me that I need to get a pry tool or something because I use my knife for everything and I end up cutting myself. Yeah. So, okay, here we go. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I guess I can, oh, here we go. That's the move I couldn't do before. Definitely a little bit of a learning curve. It's like, how do I play with it? The tracks go diagonal. See? So you have to go up, down, up, down, and then it also can pivot on any of the axles. I know Kev from Lefty EDC likes to go down. It's beautiful though, gosh. You know, I have to say that I might actually prefer having the lanyard on there because it's kind of hard to hold on to. Like, I want to flip it down this way, but I feel like I'm gonna lose it. So the lanyard goes right there. Yeah, I really do feel like I'm gonna lose it. That's crazy. Hold on. Let's try it one more time with the lanyard. I mean, I know you guys probably don't really care if I use the lanyard or not, but like in my little Facebook group, there's this dude who like loves lanyards and beads and shit, and we always make fun of him saying that nobody would actually use the lanyard part of this thing. So that's the only reason why I'm like spending time on this. I don't know how interesting that is to you all, but I just want to put this back on just for a sec here. Come on. Gosh, what did I do here? I bent the thing. Hold on. Okay, I got it back on. So now let me see if I still feel the same kind of like I'm gonna lose it. Actually, I don't. I actually like it with the lanyard because it feels kind of small, like I am gonna lose it almost. So I actually think that the lanyard is helpful. I love this thing. Okay, so we've got, let me just point this little baby down. We've got the V1.1, the Clover V2, and then we have the Allure series. Like I said, it's growing on me. The scratchiness actually feels good. The magnet strength is real nice. I think I like it in this design and texture better. You wouldn't think something like that would make a big difference, but it does. Now, I will say these are very, 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 very expensive, all of them. Each one of these is like $300. But these things are never ever gonna fall apart on you, and they also 100% retain their value. So I would highly recommend any of these. It's like, I mean, they're basically the best of the best. They really are. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and have a great day.